Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you the trick using Hero Valley that rarely people know about. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, skill selection. This can be seen from the character of your enemies. For example, many enemies with dash or blink heroes. For situations like this, you can upgrade skill to the blue and your ultimate skill to the burst. But if the enemy is not a hero who has the blink skill, you can set the opposite skill to skill 2 burst, and the ultimate can set to the crowd control skill. The second trick is the combo skill method. If you use the burst skill, then skill 2, most likely the enemy can avoid it. So it will be better if you set the ultimate skill first, then after that skill 2 is directed at the enemy. But if you use the ulti CC skill combo, all you have to do is direct it, because this combo is used for heroes who don't have blink skill. The third trick, how to upgrade the skill level. Sometimes because your free skills 1 is hurts more, so when your hero is level 3, rise skill 1. So at level 4 you have taken ulti skill 2 but not yet CC. So it's better at level 3 you rise skill 2 to level 2. So when you get to level 4 you can immediately combo. Do you survival know yet? And here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to the channel you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.